Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Megara, or hi if you're new. Today it's another Foundation Friday, and today I have the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Performance Wear Liquid Foundation. This has a lot of claims, so I thought I would test it out. Now I have it in the shade Fair 01 if you're curious, because I am very pale. And this claims to have 24-hour long wear, a natural matte finish, blurs pores and imperfections, promotes improved skin texture, hypoallergenic, dermatologically tested, designed for all skin types, provides SPF 20 non-chemical mineral-based sun protection, sweat resistant, water resistant, humidity resistant and heat resistance, transfer resistance, which will be interesting considering I wear a face mask pretty much all week. Does not ash or grey on dark or deep skin tones. So yeah, this is going to be an interesting one. So I'm not going to work today. It is Saturday and I'm going to have to work some Saturdays, I'm not going to lie to you, but I'll do a life update at some point, I'm sure. So this is, I'm going to stick this on my face and I'll be right back with you when it's all on, because I have another video to film testing shit, putting new stuff on my face. It'll be up. Alright, so it's probably not going to get a 4 days wear test out of this one, but oops. Yeah, I kind of procrastinated half the day away, but this is what my face is looking like. It's been on for about 2 hours, and I've already noticed it's beginning to sink into like my forehead, but I don't know if that's a primer because I haven't used this primer in a long time. Everywhere else is looking pretty good. Like, it's covered up most of my spots down here, which I'm getting flare-ups from. Basically I have to wear a mask all day now. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. No complaints yet, but I'll update you about 10-11 o'clock when this has been on about 6 to 8 hours. Like, you know how I feel? Like, I'm liking the lipstick more and more. It's kind of growing on me. See it a bit. How is this lighting so good? I mean, I've got a lamp on over there, but this is what my makeup's looking like. I'm torn on the eyeshadow, honestly. I'm just not sure on it. This I yes, this I no. Let's just cover this up. So, it's lasted alright. I've only had it on about 6-7 hours. But it's come off my nose little bit in places, but it might be because I've got a bit of runny nose and it's just not as full coverage as I'm thinking. It's inoffensive basically so far. I'll let you know on Monday how it lasts, but yeah, like 11 PM I'm going to. It's Monday and this is what my base is looking like. It's looking pretty good for a Monday, so I'm gonna update you later because I need to go to work. But it's right on my forehead. Yeah, I'll call this pretty good. Welcome to my bedroom again. I'm stupid. But foundation is what you're interested in, and first things first, it has sunk into my forehead a bit, but I have been at work all day, which is why it's come off my nose, because I wear a mask unless I'm eating or drinking. Even if I'm in the areas we don't have to wear a mask, I will still wear a mask unless I've got like my coffee out or I'm eating, basically. Highlighters lasted pretty good, but yeah. You're interested in the foundation, and you can tell it's come off my nose. You can actually see a line where it's come off my nose up to about here. My eyeliner transferred. I did try tight liner and it didn't particularly work. Oh well. It's lasted pretty well everywhere else though. There's still some on my chin. Some, not a lot, but some. Yeah, I don't think I can actually tell you much more for today. I can't feel it on my face like I can with some foundations. It doesn't feel dry, it doesn't feel cakey. It's really comfortable, and considering I've got quite a lot on, I'm pretty impressed with that. But it is also a very liquidy foundation, so it could be that. Hello, it's Tuesday morning, I think. It's not Tuesday, it's running early. But my face doesn't feel like it's currently drizzling in the UK, so delightful weather. I'm running a few minutes late, so I'm just going to power on to work, get my mask on and go through it. Let's ignore this little thing, I don't know what happened, but shit happens. So overall, it has come off my nose and my chin again, but that's not surprising. I do wear my face mask all day, I kind of have to because of where I work. It's not creased too bad. The concealer is so good, I'm going to keep using that. And this stuff is just so cheap. Like this base, well, foundation and concealer are like a tenner for it all. Yeah, I'm worried about how long that's been there. Like, has it been there all day? Or I don't really check myself in the mirror, I just can't be bothered at the moment. But yeah. Oh, I've got another spot coming through. Oh well. But yeah, I'll update you tomorrow with my final thoughts on this. So, it is Wednesday and my face is looking pretty good today, I think. I used Urban Decay setting spray, so I'm going to see if that helps my skin at all stay on around my nose and stuff. But I'll update you later because I need to get going to work, basically. And yeah, I'm feeling quite glowy and quite happy. It has still rubbed off my nose. So, it is Wednesday evening and it's come off my nose still, but it's not come off around here as much as it has the other day. So I think the setting spray really does work. I can believe that. It's sunk into my forehead, lines a bit. I am really tired, so I'm going to go take this off in a minute, but it's definitely looking good. I mean, the setting spray really did help today, but this is still a decent foundation, even though it has come off just here, but I don't think I found one that doesn't look much the same as yesterday, but I'm a bit more red, accidentally. So, my face is looking pretty good to start with. I've got another day at work, so face masks all day. That's fine, I'm used to it now. I ache everywhere because I got the COVID vaccine yesterday and now I just ache. I prefer this over getting COVID, so. But as usual, it's come off a bit on my cheeks today and my chin and my nose, but again, I've been wearing my mask all day. I even wear it at lunch if I'm not eating or drinking, so. But yeah, I've got a spot. I don't want another spot. But I need to go and put my pyjamas on and zone out for the evening. It's Friday, makeup is on, you can still tell I look tired, but oh well. Yeah, it's looking alright. It'll do, basically. Yeah, I need to get going to work because it's nearly 9 o'clock. I'll say this lasted pretty well again. It's come off my chin again and off my nose, but I do wear a face mask all day, so 50-50 on if I can complain about it, because it's everywhere else it's lasted pretty well. Like, I just ignore my nose in general. But this is what it's looking like at like an arm's length. And apart from where I went a bit ham with bronzer earlier, I'd say it looks alright. I'm pretty happy with this foundation. Like, if any normal situation where you're not wearing a face mask all day, you're still walking around quite a lot, because that's what I do at work. I walk around a lot. Like, even when I was really mushing it up the hill on my way home, it still looks pretty damn good. I know it sinks into my forehead, but everything sinks into my forehead. I'm pretty happy with this, honestly. I'll give you my final rundown on my thoughts tomorrow probably, and I'll see you then. So, overall, what did I make of the Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation? I think it's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It lasted pretty well. I'm about to sneeze. It lasted really well. It did come off in some places, but it wasn't that bad for coming off, considering I was wearing a face mask for about 9 hours a day. So yes, I would say it is pretty long lasting. I think if you weren't wearing a mask as much as I do at work, then it would last even better for you. When masks are hopefully one day gone, I will be wearing this a lot. I'll probably also be wearing this to work when I'm not testing other foundations. And it just does look, it's just a nice bottle. I know it's expensive, but I really do like it. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and I'll see you next time for another lovely video. Bye!